Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is Golgothan, and welcome back to part 2 of this Kerbal Space Program Career Mode video. We are approaching Minmus, and we are ready to set up our space station. So everybody says goodbye to Kerbin as we go on a lengthy journey. Where is that little dot? Should be in front of us-ish. There it is, right there. Come up to it. There it comes. You can see it. It's getting a little bigger. Let's go full time warp. There she comes. What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh no! We are not a lost cause yet, but we are in bad shape. We didn't get we got the time warp glitch, where it didn't slow us down as we reached lower altitudes. This is why I used the alarm clock previously, because it just zooms so fast all of a sudden, and then you're past it. So let's do this. It's a lot of wasted delta V. Try to essentially turn us around. Orbital speed around Minmus is so small. There we go. Time warp around to the apoapsis. Now we're literally on a landing trajectory. That was just bad. Bad news bears. I had such a beautiful orbit set up too, and then blah. Time warped. Time warp killed us. Oh, well, it didn't kill us though. We didn't crash. That could have been worse. And we didn't escape Minmus, because that would have been the end of it. Let's just bring this guy. Up to... Alright, let's go... Horizon. Time warp. There we go. Straight at the horizon here. I mean, like, where's Minmus? It should be basically... Where is it? That's not it. That's the moon. Should be able to at least... There it is. There, 10,000. 10 kilometers above the surface. Now we will time warp slower as we come in to our orbit. Okay. I'm all panicky now about it. Right. 15 minutes. 10 minutes. 5 minutes. Retrograde. Let's get all the way up to 10 seconds. This is not, I mean, it's, I guess there's a little bit of a burn, but yeah, so guy into about 10,000 as well. Oh. Time warp. Retrograde. There we go. 10,000 kilometer, 10 kilometer circular orbit over Minmus. There we go. See? Turn the lights on. Let's do a crew report. Lake beds seem really flat. Perhaps we could land there. Okay, keep that data. Now, how do I transfer data? Review report? I don't want to transmit, I want to put it on here. Not something like that. How do I, let's see, observe materials. Oh, I see. Okay. So let's process in the lab. There we go. How much battery does it use? Alright, so this I can just do because well, because it's the crew report. The crew report you can always do. So let's see if this means I can reuse experiments. Yay! Keep data. Can I not? Have I observed this? What happens? So it just gives us more science? It doesn't give us all the science? So what if I reset? And I reset this. I click here. This is operational. Alright, so that's kind of lame. I can't. Well, maybe I can. I'm just worried about breaking it. Like, what if I try to use the mystery goo and then I can't use it anymore or something? That would be lame. Alright, but we've got it all set up. So I think I'm gonna... Maybe I'll do one trip to the surface. I'll do one trip to the surface. I can't rename this vessel. Alright. Oh, I need to refuel. In. I'm definitely taking all of this fuel. Oh yeah. There's going to be no more refueling here. Because I am going to take all of this fuel and I'm going to have to try to find a way to split it up evenly between the 4 tanks on here for balance issues. Oh, oh. So this is the only one left. With this guy. In. Okay, so now one of these tanks, this guy over here, has significantly less fuel than these guys. So I'm going to do some quick math. Calc. 44.00 plus 161 plus 161 plus 161 equals, so 527 total divided by 4. Each engine should have 131. Okay, so I'm going to there to there for that's liquid fuel, so I'll take this straight to 131 and stop. Good, close enough. Alright, so now I'll rotate this way, this guy there. 131. Stop. There we go. And then this guy to this guy. 131. There we go. It's pretty close. Oh. There we go. Much better. And now for the other fuel, the oxidizer. So got 53.78 plus 197 plus 197 plus 197. Correct? Yes. Gives me 644. Divide that by 4 gives me 161. So here to here, into 161 is what I need to reach. $161. There we go. Here to here, 161. Close enough. And then from here to here, 161. Close enough. Close enough. All right. Now we can undock. We can also decouple this. Cool. Just for lulz, let's do a little. There we go. And undock. So we've got our lab. This set of engines should eventually, hopefully, end up somewhere else, but this is what I need mostly. So let's RCS back a little. So let's look for a suitable place to land. Now that we actually have biomes, where can we land? I landed there last time, so let's land. Let's land right where we are. This is like mountainous area. So where's retrograde? The other way. RCS off. Okay. And deorbit. Oh, ha. Oh no, that's bad. I just accidentally deployed our parachutes. So that makes me look a little ridiculous. Can I activate engines from over here? No. Activate. 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 There we go. Alright. Deorbit. There. Alright. G for landing gear. There goes the mobile lab above us. Now let's begin our descent onto these hills. Bobwell is going to do his first science. Surface. There's our. We still got a little ways to go. Once that radar altitude starts going down, then I'll be worried. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go. Now we are below 1,000. Look at all those rocks. I turned on the particles on the ground. I didn't even know I had it off. Rocky. $450. $300. $200. Absolute lowest velocity I can possibly go, the lowest thrust, keeping us exactly at 2 meters per second. As we slowly lower ourselves to the surface. Bobwell, you're doing a good job. The surface creeps slowly closer. We have touchdown. Steady. 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 We good? I think we're good. We're good! We are on a massive hillside. But alright, time to come out of there. Let's lower this ladder. Extend the ladder. Whoop. Yeah, climb over the struts to get down the ladder, but that's cool. EVA. Why am I not doing anything with the experiments? Do I have to toggle display? Toggle display. Now EVA. I thought I was supposed to be able to do something with these. Apparently not. Apparently that's wrong. So let's get down off of here. Am I really not doing anything with this? I was lied to. Oh well. Let's get some surface samples, shall we? Yeah. Alright. Surface sample. Minmus's slopes. Surface seems to consist of tiny crystal-like grains. Very pretty, probably not edible. We will keep that data. We'll do an EVA report on the slopes. Yes, you definitely feel like a hero. And keep that data. And plant a flag. Shoot. There's our flag. This is Minmus Science Marathon. Minmus Science Marathon. Site 1. Slopes. Bob Wells' first stop on his Minmus adventure. Okay. Huzzah. Now let's go head over. Ugh. Gravity is so low, it's almost ridiculous. RCS. Oh yeah. There we go. Get back on board. Alright, so let's do crew report. From the slopes, keep it. Materials bay from the slopes. Keep it. And mystery goo from the slopes. Keep it. Log pressure data. Nothing. Log temperature. Keep data. Alright. I think that's all the science we can do from this location. Now we shall wait for our station to orbit back around. And we shall make our way back up. Here she comes. Should be able to see it coming over the horizon. I think. Oh, it should be right above us now. Yep, there it is. Let's go. Get it where I want it to be. That's fine. It's time warp. That's my fuel. Fuel is good. And now we circularize. We do not want target, we want orbit. So yeah, circularize. That's fine. That way, that's for sure. So that's not gonna work. Can do it. How low is that? 6? It's pretty low. 4 is even lower. Looks like it might crash on this side over here, though. Yeah, that's a mountain right there. I'm not going to be able to just make a maneuver and just do it the way I thought I might be able to. Whoa, that's definitely not what I want to do. So we will rotate around the planet a couple times until we hit our interaction point. It's kind of nice that we were able to get it right on the equator, though. It's a pretty good orbit. Oop. Oh, that's not any better. Of me, and I want it to not be. I'm chasing it. What if I just burn a little retrograde? That way I slowly start catching up to it. This is definitely going to be a 2-part video. Oh man, it's going to have to be over after this. I have to go to my family Christmas. I have to leave in 15 minutes, and I still have to take a shower. So let's get this docked and science stuff done. Alright, that didn't even change. Oh, there we go. There we go. One more time around is all we need. And we're going to be coming low. Bring our landing gear up. Look at that. How high up that mountain is. Can't bring our landing gear up when I'm in time warp, though. Landing gear up. There it goes. And time warp. We're gonna get pretty low here. Comes our lowest point, periapsis. Please no really tall mountains. Turn the lights on, see point these down. If I point myself straight down, let's see if I can shine light on the ground. Going back up now, so it looks like I didn't go that close, but I got pretty close. Oh, we're gonna get super close to this guy. So we're gonna come right into it. There's the moon and Kerbin and the sun. It's a pretty view. It's going to be a nice background to our docking. Alright. Relative retrograde. Even closer. Retrograde, there it is. See, as I burn to the side here, it slows us down and shifts the... Our prograde will be exact opposite of our retrograde, so if it's the retrograde is directly on the away from target marker, obviously the prograde is on the to target marker. Alright, set as target. But now we need to start going a little more prograde. The wrong way now. There we go, move us right towards it. Straight up to it. There's a beautiful background for this. I know I mentioned that already, but man, couldn't ask for a better background for the end of this video. Line ourselves up the proper angle, just like that, I think. RCS on. that way. A little bit up to that. And the light should catch it. There we go. All my lights are right on it. Forward. Just go right in there, right nice and smooth. It's way easier to dock when you've done it a bunch of times. Okay, there. Time warp us right on there. Look at that. And magnet any second now. There we go, and we're docked. Kablam. Process lab data. Process all of them. There we go. Observe the goo. Still better to go get more. To take it back. It's still better to take it back, of course. I guess that makes sense. It's not meant to replace it. It's just meant to make it better. I wonder if I can keep processing it. And if I can get it up to 100% by repeatedly processing it. Wow, the lab analysis of the surface sample is taking a long time. Now if I do process lab data. Okay, so I can't process it anymore. So, but I can transmit, here's 75% value, so that's pretty good. Transmit that. 45%, not bad. Do it. See, it makes it inoperable. I don't like that. I wish I could just store the data from it. If I keep data, I guess I'll keep data for that, and keep data for that. Why is that? Do I get more science from taking it back for that too? Keep data. Alright, I'm just going to keep all the data, and hopefully I can go to another... See, I don't think I can. I think I have to transmit all my data. Process lab data. I think I just have to transmit it. Or take it back. That sucks. Transmit. Transmit. Yep. Transmit. Yep. And it's dumb that it makes them inoperable. Where do you store data? EVA report. Transmit. View report. Crew report from the slopes. Transmit. Well, we got some science from it. Not a whole ton. But it sucks now, because now we can't do anything with this. We can't... the mystery goo and the mini science thing are completely pointless now. So to do all the biomes, we'd have to bring that many of these things, which kind of sucks. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please click like down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see other videos like it. I am Golgothan, and I will see you next time.